Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. On today's video we're going to make a Lychee Martini. I was in Tampa months and months ago and I was out in this bar, club, whatever it was, with Ari, and she ordered a Lychee Martini. Now I've never seen or heard of a Lychee Martini, and I thought it was kind of neat. So then I had to, investigate, because it tastes pretty darn good. So in order to make it, you have to find some canned lychee, right? I found it in an Asian market. I could not find it in my normal grocery stores. Not saying yours doesn't have it, but the ones I looked in didn't have it. So I had to go to an Asian market and they had very different varieties of it. So to make it, you need the syrup out of the can. Right, so I got the syrup. This is the syrup. It's heavy syrup too, so it should be pretty sweet. Anywho, you find the one that you like to make it how you like to make it. All right, so first thing first. We got to go with 2 ounces of vodka of your choice. Can't go wrong with Tito's. Next, we got a ½ ounce of a dry vermouth, right? So this is what's going to make it a martini, technically. Just ½ ounce. Because it can't be a martini without the vermouth, right? So next, we're going to go with a full ounce of the syrup that we got from the can. 1 full ounce. Kind of thick too. Doo, doo, doo. All right, there we go. And lastly, we're going to go with ½ ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed. All right, we're going to add some ice and we're going to stir. There's a good mix and a good chill. Smells good too. Got our martini glass and our strainer. And there you have it, a Lychee Martini. And you garnish it with the lychees, right, up the can. Maybe like that. No, I'm not really a garnisher, but anywho. All right, let's see how well I made this Lychee Martini. It's pretty good. I saw a recipe that had, instead of using dry vermouth, they use Grand Marnier. I don't know if that'd make it better or not, but it's an option. So anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.